First, I don't want to waste your time because you deserve to celebrate, even if we have only one this night. Tomorrow is already bravo. It's like this. We are here to win. We are here to win. What it means about to win? We need to push each other in all the ways, boys. I will talk about you. I will talk about this team. I will talk about Slovenian team, about this country, about the character. I will talk this time. I will talk about the character, the personality. The personality that sometimes we need a bit more on personality, but not on character, on attitude. That was fantastic. 11, not 10 points. 11. I want this for you. If I lose one game, I lose one game with mine. Do you hear me? If we lose on our way. On our way. Because we are not average team. We are a team that can beat everyone. But we be our one. And when we play football, we play in our style and how we are doing. Because we enjoy and this is our way. And this is what makes us happy every single day. And now the word for our friends. No, that's for all of you.
Капу долу. Цілуйте от цілого Целя. Хвала всякому по собі. Хвала тобі. Жан-Лук, тебе там неки видели. Хвала тобі по собі. Я припричен, да, з тим результатом ми смо в по-11 делу. Да?
Да, можемо бити далі.
Може би ще перший, да, ще два, один раунд, бо мало спростимо, не? Тогда хвала всім за діло. Чистить.
I enjoy you the same. You fucking competing in Europe!